If you're looking for an exotic smartphone, something which is not available in your country, there's a site called TridentZ with all kinds of latest and greatest devices. And there's a huge sale at the moment. For example, Xiaomi 14 Ultra for 757 euros. How insane is that? Of course, they ship worldwide, no additional cost in Europe, which is super cool. Of course, you can change currency for US dollars, British pound, all kinds of currencies. At the moment, we are in euros. 757, that is a bargain. Okay, what kind of deals are we going to have here? Mix Fold, latest Xiaomi smartphone, 100 euros less. 190 for the 256 gigabyte version, which is a lot. Of course, you don't have to buy a blue one. It could be white. You can change it for black or even a carbon version. And you can pay with PayPal, Bitcoin, all kinds of cryptocurrency. It could be stable coin like USDT. I think even a Dogecoin is available. So there you go. Ethereum and all kinds. Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Apple Pay. Awesome. Let's continue with those discounts. Okay, can we? All right, deals. 200 euros less for the Razor. All right, what else do we have? And we have a lot. 290 euros for the Xiaomi. Come back. For the Vivo X100 Ultra, which is the best camera smartphone in the world. There you go. It is the best. That's my daily driver. There's nothing in the market at the moment better than Vivo X100 Ultra in the camera department. Nothing. There's nothing can even come close to it. You have switching lenses during the recording. All of them. 4K 60. All of them. Even Xiaomi Ultra is not that advanced. Huge battery. Wi-Fi 7. Like the best what it's available at the moment. And it's below $1,000. What's the point buying an iPhone if you can have such an insane device? All right. What else do we have? 230 euros less for the best foldable smartphone in the world. Why I'm calling it the best? Bigger battery, fast charging. Look at that. Look at that. Latest processor, 8 Gen 3. That's the most powerful. 5,700 mAh battery. That's the biggest battery in any foldable smartphone. 100-watt charging. That's the fastest in any. Okay, maybe Xiaomi has 120, maybe. But 100 is still plenty. And 50 wireless. Wi-Fi 7, periscope zoom, IP68, and stereo speakers. And also you can have a charger for half the price. And the charger is awesome. Really awesome. That's one of the best chargers I had. The regular version is also 300 euros less. Wow. Such a discount. And there's like more than 11 sides of those discounts. So check it out. Link in the description for you. They also have the latest and greatest devices like Honor Magic 3, which is a very rare smartphone. At least in my country, I don't think you can buy such a device in Europe yet. Well, maybe you can. We'll have to find out. But definitely not with such a price. They have the best price in the world. And I think that's all I got. I'm just letting you know there's a huge discount, an opportunity to buy yourself a great device. See you next video. Link in the description.